What's up, guys? I got a little project update. It's not for this, it's not for the IS, but I got another project. I'm selling the GS, and I got this GX 470. So hold on, let me show you. This is pretty much the cheapest GX 470 I could find. I've just been kind of looking for one for a little while, see if I can trade the GS in up for one, because I mean, who needs 3 sedans? Because we have Manda's Integra. The IS will be back very soon. And I missed my 4Runner, so it's time to get back into one of these. And this is pretty much the cheapest one I can find. It was up for $4,500. I got it for $3,400. I am pretty stoked on that. Needs an AC compressor. The secondary air injection pump went, which is an emissions thing. And there's like a $100 emulator that I'm gonna get that fixes that. And then I need to do a serpentine belt because it's got 240,000 miles on it, and it shows the last time at 93,000. But this is the thing. This is going to be a little off-road build, and I'll update like slowly as it comes along because I'm going to daily it. But just a little quick thing. I'm cleaning it out. Man, it was gross. I didn't really have. I have a couple pictures I can log, but like here we go. Like this is kind of what it looks like now after a vacuum and some magic eraser. So pretty much the entire car looked like, I haven't got here yet, looked like that everywhere, and like this entire thing was really gross. I have a before picture I can show you on the other side. Like all really gross like that. I actually just cleaned the top here. I'm just using Mother's VLR and a magic eraser. I mean, it goes a long way. Like this is what all the seats looked like, kind of gross. And I'll show you kind of what the other side looks like now after I hit it. So, I mean, that's much better and much nicer all around. Like nothing, like honestly, it takes 2 seconds too. This is just such a neat trick. I feel like everyone has to know. Like every piece of liver is much better now. Like this side was like, you could see a little bit left over. I still need to get, but like mainly looks even like the dashboard and this under here, a billion times better. And then I gotta clean all this garbage. But yeah, that's my little update. I'll see if I can grab some more clips, but this is the thing. What's up, guys? It's a new day. I swear it's a new day. I know I'm wearing the same shirt. That just happened to line up like that. You can tell it's a new day because the IS is back. I'm actually just messing with it right now. I'm going over a couple tune things, just messing with it with Scott Smith at Rude Boy Performance. He saw a couple little things that he thought he could help me with, so we're kind of just going over that right now. The FD's here, so all the cars are here running. It's amazing, awesome stuff. The GX, we did the serpentine belt. The serpentine, the timing belt and the water pump. Timing belt, water pump, all the pulleys, cam seals, all that stuff. And then I did end up getting that from Hewitt Technologies. It was an emulator kit for the secondary air injection pump, and then a couple, just 2 block-off plates for the 2 block-off plates for that deal, whatever it's called. But man, I'm loving the GX. It is awesome. This is going to become like a little series of little off-road builds. It's going to get 33s. We're going to do no lift at first, and then we're going to lift it. But boy, am I stoked on this. This is just going to be a quick little update for this week. But yeah, this thing is killer. It is the best buy ever. I need to go ahead and go over these things. But boy, like it cleaned up really nicely. And it drives great, runs great. So yeah, I'm pretty damn excited about this build, and now like the entire our life has come together. Other than the fact that this is what's holding the garage up, because I have finally got all the cars programmed to the garage door opener, and then I blew a capacitor in the garage door opener because I just operating it so much. It's an older unit, so I already bought a capacitor. Maybe I'll vlog how I changed that. Whatever. But yeah, this is a quick little Thursday update. You get to see the new project, both cars in home. I'm gonna do a lot of 360 video with both cars now, and a lot of stuff is to come. So thank you guys for watching, staying tuned, and being supporters. I'm really happy where we've come. We just hit 4,000 followers, subscribers, whatever. And this is gonna be a great journey. It's just the beginning, and there's a ton more to come. So thank you for watching. If you need any merch, I got it on my website. I'm actually working on a new t-shirt right now. So yeah, See you guys soon. See you next week. Maybe we'll have maybe we'll make some noises with this thing. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Peace.